Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Just a brand new tutorial today to show you how to get CP in COD Mobile. This is going to allow you to get 10,000 free COD points using a simple CODM redeem code, and it is working right now in 2025. And this is going to save you a bunch of money because 10,000 COD points is pretty expensive. I believe it's around $100 give or take. And yeah, this is the easiest method to get free CP in COD M working in 2025. So let's get into the tutorial, guys. As you can see, I'm using an iPhone. You can do this on Android as well. So I recommend you just do this on the mobile phone that you play Call of Duty Mobile on. And then you've got to open up the internet browser. And let me just quickly show you where you will enter these codes. So you would basically go to the COD Mobile Redemption Center or Call of Duty Redemption Center, and you enter in your user ID, and then you enter in your redeem code. So yeah, anyway, go to this website on your mobile phone, www.coldcoupons.com. So type it exactly like this, guys, to go to Cold Coupons. And this website has probably 100+ different pages, and you can have a look through. But to make the process simple, you've got to go to the search bar and search for COD M. You're looking for the Call of Duty page. As you can see, there's two different verified coupon codes or redeem codes. They're being used today hundreds of times. They're highly rated as well. You can get all skins, but this is the one we're focusing on for this video, guys. Get 10,000 free COD points. So this is a simple redeem code for 10,000 points. So click on Get Code. It's going to confirm your choice. And by the way, guys, this does work. These redeem codes work for Warzone, Modern Warfare, Black Ops, all of the COD games. But I'm just basically focusing on the COD Mobile aspect of it. But click on Show Full Code. And this is going to look for a valid and working code for your free CP. Okay, now it says your code will be revealed in the box below after verification. So basically, guys, you are limited to one code. As you can see, these codes are limited in number. So you can only get one code, and it is going to give you 10,000 free CP. But you will need to unlock your code, guys. Now, it only takes about 5 minutes. I've already done it, but you can see your code is currently hidden. So what you're going to need to do is click on Get Full Code, and you're going to see a new screen. It's going to tell you how to unlock your COD points code. It takes about 5 minutes, but it's really easy. I had to complete a couple of free tasks. They're usually things like free surveys or mobile applications, but once you do that and follow the instructions, your COD redeem code will be fully unlocked, and you can redeem it in the redemption center. In here, guys, just enter your code into the and it will supply you, in this case, with 10,000 free COD points. So really easy, guys. Just go to Cold Coupons. Any questions, drop them down in the comment section below. Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Peace out.